MTF units at Gate B now. I repeat, SCP-682 is out of the facility. All available helicopters and MTF units to Gate B now.
SCP-106 has broken out of the facility at Gate A. Fire the HID turret immediately. Do not let it across the bridge.
We're detonating the Alpha warheads in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel are advised to board the nearest helicopter or enter the nearest blast shelter immediately.
Rebel Task Force Unit NB-7, designated Hammer Down, has entered the facility. All remaining personnel are still advised to remain secure until any remaining threats have been contained or neutralized. We'll start announcing containment of SCP objects and other additional status remarks. Rebel Task Force Unit Delta 10, designated Signal River, has entered the facility. They have been dispatched to assist the man-tailed fox with containment of Site-19. The facility is still currently undergoing heavy anomalous exposure and is being investigated by Rebel Task Force Delta 7, Cloud 9.